Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we're building a farm tray diorama. Let's go ahead and start by filling our tray with some play dirt. And now we'll spread out our play dirt. Our dirt is all spread out. Let's add some grass and some plants. We'll add a tree here, more flowers. We'll add a couple of logs. We'll add a fenced-in area. We'll add a pond here. And we'll put some rocks around the pond. And we'll add a little bit of moss over here. Now our tray is ready for some farm animals. Let's start with a little chicken house here. Put this building here, and we have a chicken, as well as some smaller chickens and a rooster, and some baby chicks. The chickens and chicks are out in the yard. We also have pigs on this farm. Look at this adorable little pig. They'll be in this enclosed area. It will be a pig pen. Here's another pig. And another pig. And an adorable little baby pig. We have some cows. This black and white cow. Put the cows on the grass. Here's another black and white cow. This one has a bell. They're grazing on the grass. Here's a little brown calf. A baby cow. Also grazing on the grass are some sheep. We have this sheep here and this sheep here. And a little baby sheep looking up at its mother here. There's our sheep. We also have some goats that will be grazing on the grass. This goat here. This adorable goat here, and this little goat also has a bell, just like the cow. And this goat here. This one looks like a cute little billy goat. We have so many animals grazing on the grass. The farmer is driving out his tractor to the grass to bring the cows and sheep and goats some hay. Here is the farmer. There's a little deer that's out in the woods. Put it behind the tree here, peeking out from the back of the woods. We have a little floppy-eared bunny. This bunny's relaxing right here at the edge of the grass. We also have a llama. The llama is also going to sit next to the grass. And we have two horses here. One will be out here behind the chickens. And this horse here will be right back here, walking to the pond. In our pond, we have a goldfish right here. And we have a little turtle that lives at the edge of the pond right here. We have a cat here that is looking down into the pond and watching the fish, as well as the cat's little kitten. Look at this adorable little kitten. It's going to follow its mother onto the log. And we have a goose and a duck for the pond. And some little ducklings. Here are some little ducklings that are also in the pond. Here is the farmer's daughter. She's going to go and feed the baby lamb. And here's the farmer's son who's come to pet the cows. And the farm has two dogs that are keeping watch over all the animals on the farm. One will be down here, and one will be right back here. We have some corn to feed the chickens and the pigs. Let's sprinkle corn for the chickens and the pigs. And we have more hay. We'll put some hay down here for the sheep and some hay back here for the horses and the cows and the goats. So that is our farm diorama today, with pigs and chickens, horses and cows, goats and sheep, ducks and geese, some cats and dogs, a llama, as well as a turtle and a bunny. So many different animals on the farm, and this wild deer back here that's coming to visit the farm. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look at all the animals in our farm diorama. So that was our farm tray diorama. I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these wonderful farm animals, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.